Alright, this next song talks about that funky Hula girl. She got a sense of righteousness. Please don't get me wrong. She speaks so many languages, and the least of it is her own. You could say she's a modern girl, a Hawaiian meets 21st century. With a nettle of fold, I'm sure you'll be floored by her subtlety. Combination of strength and humility. All her lights are in their socket, strands of flowers, strands of pearls, and I'm dancing with the funky girl. I got some money in my pocket, wouldn't miss it for the world, and I'm dancing with the funky Hula girl. You could say she's a modern girl, a Hawaiian meets 21st century. With a nettle aboard, I'm sure you'll be floored by her subtlety. Combination of strength and ability. All her lights are in their sockets, strands of flowers, strands of pearl, and I'm dancing with the funky Hula girl. I got some money in my pocket, wouldn't invest it for the world, and I'm dancing with the funky Hula girl. Sashay over there, I like to see her dancing in the clear. Don't say you don't care. Her mind might be on my way. Get your body over here. All her lights are in their socket, strands of flowers, strands of pearls, and I'm dancing with the funky Hula girl. I got some money in my pocket, will invest this for the world, and I'm dancing with the funky Hula girl. Life's full of harsh reality, stuffing up just trying to get along. Meet me, my funky little Hula girl, dancing to the rhythm of this song. All her lights are in their sockets, strands of flowers, strands of pearl, and I'm dancing with the funky Hula girl. I got some money in my pocket, would invest it for the world, and I'm dancing with the funky Hula girl. I got some money in my pocket, would invest it for the world, and I'm dancing with the funky Hula girl. All her lights are in there's sockets, strands of flowers, strands of pearl, and I'm dancing with the funky hula. Girl,